Hello guys, here with you Anna Tutova, CEO of Coins Telegram Media. And how are you? How is your crypto trading going? We see this craziness on the market doesn't stop. Everything is going up. The fear and greed index is at 82 points. And we see still craziness around meme coins. And now we see as well the shift of attention from Solana chain to another chain, Base. It's a layer 2 chain on Ethereum network backed by Coinbase, by the publicly traded company regulated in the US. So it gives quite a lot of trust to this chain. And so they don't have their own coin yet, so a lot of people are making bet on trading and getting value from other coins building on Base and especially meme coins. And as well, before we had Jess Pollack, the lead of Base on our YouTube channel. We had him on summer, so you can check out as well our interview with him. And let's dive deep into Base. What Base is, it just surpassed as well 1 billion in DEX trading volume on Uniswap. And as well, we'll discuss today different meme coins on Base which have good potential to rise, and as well we'll dive deep into another layer 3 on Base called Degen. So let's go. Yeah, so here you can check out the website of Base. It is built on Optimism stack and backed by Coinbase. And the goal with Base is to make on-chain the next online and onboard 1 billion users into the crypto economy. And I guess Coinbase has around 100 million registered users. So that's quite a great bet on bringing the users on chain, and there are already 130 billion assets on platform on Coinbase. You can check as well our interview with Jess Pollack, with the lead of Base. I published it before in Fortune, and as well you can watch a video on our YouTube channel. Yeah, so here it is. I will leave the link to the video under the description of this video. As well, we see that Base just passed 1 billion in Uniswap volume on Base, just on 30th March. And then we see the rising number of transactions on Base. And Base is not planning to have any token, so hence I believe that some meme will be seen as the best proxy bet to capture the growth of this ecosystem. And that is why we see so many memes on the Base chain, and we'll discuss it in more depth later. And meanwhile, I would like to tell you as well about other layer 3 on Base chain. It's called Degen Chain, and it was released just last week on 28th March as a specialized network that sits atop Base, which itself is Ethereum layer 2. And Degen Chain is a new layer 3 blockchain. It has attracted significant attention and transactional volume since its introduction. And this chain has as well its own token. And actually, this project was released from the Farcaster. You can check as well their Twitter. And actually, what is Layer 3 blockchain? So Layer 3 blockchain is a new development, and it's a customizable and application-specific blockchain built on top of Layer 2 protocols. And the general idea behind a Layer 3 network is to have a blockchain that can quickly and verifiably complete a very specific set of tasks. And these tasks can range from payments to gaming transactions, and the Layer 3 network will handle only those specific types of transactions. Yeah, so here you can see their Twitter. It's quite has a big following already, 30,000 followers, and many influential people follow the project. But for example, Polygon's here, Mark Boran, criticized layer 3, and he mentioned that if all layer 3 settles to one layer 2, then Ethereum would capture basically no value, and thus Ethereum security would be at risk. So he criticized it a lot. And this 40-old network has recently recorded nearly 100 million in transactional volumes in the past 24 hours alone, and over already 9 million transactions on the chain, what data shows. And they have over 421,000 wallets. You can check these on Degen Explorer. And let's check as well the token, which may be a good bet, but it's not a financial advice. And nothing that here is a financial advice. And all these new networks are highly experimental, and especially meme coins. It's just like a really fun game, and it may be the next marketing tool for all these chains. And because both Base needs more promotion, Degen as well is a new chain, it needs promotion. So there are people who are launching these meme coins to get attention for those chains. So Degen already has quite a big market cap. It's already at $741 million market cap. So I think it can easily reach 1 billion in market cap. Today it's a bit down 7%. So maybe a good timing for buying. Yeah, so today it's a bit down, but it rose a lot. It rose 200% totally by these dates. And it's already traded on centralized exchanges. It's on Bybit, HTX, Gate.io. As well, we see the support from other apps, like for example, from Dracula app. And they have 1 million creative fund, and they allow earning Degen using social media. So basically Degen was as reward on forecaster, and people put on their social media forecaster profiles this violet hat, and they could tip each other with Degen token. We can check out as well Degen token on DEX tools. So it currently has 109,000 holders. Yeah, it's pretty good. Then let's talk what are the other interesting coins on this layer 3 on Degen. So one is the first native DEX called Degen Swap, and it's exchange built on Degen Chain. And yeah, you can try it out. It's not that much popular yet, but it may be an interesting bet because it's the first exchange on their chain. And every chain needs their own DEX. Yeah, so here it is. Then you can click Launch DEX. And you get here. You can connect your wallet. You can exchange Degen, for example, for Degen Swap, DSWAP on the native exchange token.
And as well, even CoinDesk writes about Degen Chain and their coins like Degen Swap. And another popular is a meme coin, and every chain needs its own meme coin. It's called Degen Pepe. So the question, how you can buy it? So Degen Pepe is not available on DEX like Degen Swap, and this is because it is minting in a burned-in curve pool instead of trading on in traditional DEX. So this is here a great tweet by Zaidi Coin about Depe, like alternative of Pepe, but on Degen Chain Depe. And you can check it out and as well look how to buy it in this case. So first you need to get ETH on Base. And then you will need Degen. So there are two variants. You can buy this Degen coin to exchange for Depe on centralized exchanges, like on Bybit, on HTX, Gate.io. I tried two variants, and it took me a really long time to get this Degen coin on MetaMask from HTX. It took around 6 hours for the withdrawal, and you may miss opportunities on the rising meme coin. So I didn't wait 6 hours for the Degen to be deposited and withdrawn to my MetaMask. So I just exchange it from the wallet. So how can you can do it? You not necessarily need to use any cross-chain bridges to exchange your Ethereum from ERC20 chain to Base. So basically, there is native wallet from Coinbase called Coinbase Wallet. So you can send your regular Ethereum from a centralized exchange, or if you have it already, you can send it to Coinbase wallet, and then you should send the same Ethereum back to your MetaMask. But when you click send, you'll see the screen below, and you should choose Base Network. So here how it looks. And the commission is only 0.05 cents. It's pretty small. Yeah, one of the cheapest commission. And as well, you need to add Degen chain and Base chain into your wallet on MetaMask or other wallet which you use. So, for example, you can use chain list the .WTF. It's funny name, not to add this manually into your wallet. You can search here, goes to the Base chain. Yeah, they support everything. So many chains here. So you can find Base and you can find as well Degen chain, and you will click just connect wallet and you will be able to connect it automatically. Or you can search as well on the internet how to add manually this or that chain. So once you add it, and when you have already your Ethereum on Base, you can bridge your Ethereum to Degen. Yeah, for example, you select first network Base, and you select Ethereum, actually wrapped Ethereum. And I haven't connected my wallet, but just to explain you can exchange your wrapped Ethereum to the Degen. And then you need to get your Degen on Degen Chain. And once you have it, you can go to this mint.club and connect your wallet and mint this Depe. Put less amount as Depe to leave the amount for the commission. And then you can see, you will be able to eventually check your balance and wallet here in this mint.club. So the current So here you can see everything regarding the token. This is supply, max supply, token holders. Currently there are 7 million the market cap. No, the market cap of this token is already 28 million, and total log-based asset is 7 million. So this is a great tweet by Dogecoin, which explains how you can buy this Depe. And so it sounds pretty complicated because you need to do all these complicated things, you need to do these bridges and etc. But the coin market cap is quite low. It's only $28 million. And as well, since it's not on any success yet, it will be too complicated for people to buy it. They will be lazy. And it's the first meme coin on this, maybe not the first, but it's the most hyped meme coin on this chain. So I see quite a great potential in it. And the best approach to the meme coins is just to trade them, not to believe into them and hold like for a long time. So once you reach your goal, maybe like it rises 20% or 50% or it doubles, just take out your initial investments to be safe, and then wait till your next target. Just fix your profits periodically on these meme coins. And not to worry that you sold early, you as well can leave a bit in it. So let's discuss some other meme coins on Base. And Base is super supportive, and as well Base community is as well very supportive to the meme coins. You can see here from the tweet that meme coin projects, if they want to do some live stream, they can get funds and reward their community. So for example, here endorse some projects like Normi, Brad, Toshi Base, and Degen Memecoin Base, and we'll discuss further these meme coins. And here you see as well first DJ live stream for some token. So the first interesting meme coin on Base for me is Brad. It's actually the largest Base meme coin by the market cap, and it's based on the character Brad, who is best friends with Pepe in Matt Furie's book Boys Club. And the token was first launched recently on 27th February and has experienced a meteoric rise since. So some raised concerns about the coin's distribution, but Brad still looks to be the front runner of the first unicorn coin on the chain. It hasn't reached yet 1 billion market cap, but it has pretty good potential. Yeah, so Brad's market cap is only 564 million for now, but it has pretty good potential to go to 1 billion. And it's good timing to get some uploads of Brad. It's minus 7% now, and you can see as well the chart how much it grew, but it's dropped down from its all-time high. And as well, Brad is available on some centralized exchanges like Gate.io, BitGet, Lbank. You can check it out. So another interesting coin is Toshi. And the thesis behind Toshi is simple. It's Brian Armstrong cat, one of the first meme on Base with a strong community. I actually knew out about it long time ago, around August or September last year, and I read that it has potential because it's like one of the first memes on Base, but I was some kind of, it was not really a meme season yet, and I was some kind of lazy to learn more about it and check out how to buy it, but it was a big mistake because this meme rose a lot, and I believe this Toshi coin has as well big potential to reach 1 billion market cap. So let's see, it currently has even lower market cap than Red. It's only 181 million. And as well, Toshi aims to be more than just a meme coin with a forthcoming toolbox announced that includes a multi-sender, token launcher and locker, liquidity locker, and more. So you can check out as well the website. Actually, the websites of all these meme coins look quite professional. So people spend some money on it, so it's not some kind of like immediate rug pull. As you can see on the chart how much it grew. And let's check on which exchanges it's trading. Yeah, so it's mostly on Uniswap, SushiSwap. It's on some centralized exchanges like Ascendex, CoinEx, Bitmart, but not really on many. Another cat coin is called MOCHI, and so Brian Armstrong doesn't have only one cat. He has as well another cat, MOCHI, and it's a bit different project, and it has much more utility. So you can check out more here, and it looks cute. It has even NFT project called Mochimons. You can check as well their Twitter. It as well looks nice. Here's a project called Mochimons, and they even earned the grant from Coinbase. So it's officially supported project by Coinbase, and you can see the same narrative with Avalanche. When Avalanche launched 1 million fund to support meme coins, the same Coinbase supports their coins too. So as well, Mochi will be creating NFT game Tamagotchi, and as well they have treasury to give back to community, and they have as well IRL merchandise products, and you can check out more on their official website. So basically, it becoming a gaming project. So that's pretty cool. And you can see these different, very cute cats. They have even roadmap, Mochimon PFP, NFTs, game, and much more. They have pretty small market cap, only 44 million. It's as well quite down, so all the meme coins on Base except on Degen, that Depe is up, but everything else is quite down. So it may be a good timing to buy something. They're even on MXC, so you can easily, if you prefer centralized exchanges, you can buy it on MXC, or you can choose Uniswap or SushiSwap. So there is quite big potential to grow. The next interesting coin is Dokkenme. That sounds almost similar as Kokino on Avalanche, but this is on Base, and it comes from Forecaster and represents the founder's dog. That is in fact not a dog, but the primordial dog in him. Degen meme. And you can see as well here some screenshot of his correspondence on Forecaster. And as well, every chain deserves a few successful Dogecoins, and Base is no exception to the rule. So Degen Me has become the leading canning contender on Base, backed by cosigns from influential crypto Twitter accounts like Ansem. And Ansem promoted quite a lot of good meme coins on Solana and on Base. So check out the website. So let's check on CoinGecko as well. This is down to bigger market cap than Mochi, 58 million. But it's still pretty early. The chart looks up and downs, so it may be a bit risky trade. The next meme coins I'll be talking about is quite a trading game. Let's check out where it's traded. So yeah, from centralized exchanges, it's on the small ones, Ascendix, CoinX, Bitmart, Polonix, and mostly, probably it's better buy on Uniswap. Another interesting coin is Normi. It features some of the freshest memes and highest production value content on the Base blockchain, and Normi has experienced a considerable rise since its launch on 6 March, and it's built as the people's coin. And you can check out some memes, some cool videos. And the coin is less than 1 month old, so it's as well too early. So it feels like all this stuff, all these memes may become NFT collections or related to gaming or to comic books. So even some art stuff. So they may create something cool. Let's see. Okay, this coin is a bit up, only 1% today. Bigger market cap, 112 million. Let's check the chart. Chart is as well up and downs, but haven't been back to the all-time high. And as well, it's on big exchange, on HTX, on BingX, Albank, and Uniswap. The next interesting coin is Base God. And actually, they feature Brian Armstrong as a god of Base. And they have their own coin, TYBG. It's quite a funny thing. Even just Pollack retweeted this project, so they support their memes, Coinbase and Base itself. You can check as well their website, based meme on Base. It's as well down today. The market cap is 45 million. The chart looks as well with up and downs. And it's as well mostly on decentralized exchanges besides Ascendix. So it's still pretty early. And lastly, I would like to tell about one more interesting concept on Base. It started really not on Base, it started on Ethereum, and it's called ERC-404, and it's an official standards first token launched on February 5th, and the first token was Pandora, and it has seen its value increase in 100-fold. So this is Mystical is one of the examples. of the ERC-404 token on Base, but let me show you the chart of Pandora. So ERC-404 aims to be a hybrid of ERC-721, so basically NFT standard, and ERC-20. So it's an NFT token that has a fungible fractionalization built in it. And this standard is entirely experimental and unaudited, while testing has been conducted in an effort to ensure execution is as accurate as possible. And yeah, so Pandora is the first such token on Ethereum. And you see as well the circulating supply, total supply 10,000 Pandora, which means that they're limited. So basically these are like collection of 10,000 NFTs, but they have features of the token and they can be fractionalized. So basically you can buy just a part of this token, like on Pandora, and the price is crazy. It's 9,000. It was even more. Yeah, you can see it went down. And you can see as well on Gecko Terminal some projects, top trading ERC-404 pairs on Base. Like you can see some of the names missed as WPRS1 throws. So I would take just first project to have the confidence, and it's actually the first ERC-404 PFP on Base. And it looks cool, some kind in the style of Animoca brand's Mochaverse stuff. And they build in as well their own protocol too. So it will be basically a game, the Mystical. And they created a collection of 7,000 of PFP on Base. So this thing may become pretty trendy. We haven't seen really much back NFTs, but eventually we see that NFTs becomes a part of the culture and there are some blue chips rising. So this Mystical rose as well quite a lot. It's trading now at over $1,000. Yeah, it's a bit down now, but it's highly experimental thing. If you believe in NFTs and if you like this project, you may buy yourself such PFP. So yeah, that's it.
So thank you for your attention. Let me know what is your favorite altcoin pick on Base and what are your thoughts about altcoins I mentioned. Leave your thoughts in the comments below this video. And have a great day and let your bags pump. See you soon.